Good morning everyone and welcome again to another video on Mr. Ong Math Lesson. This is the second question from the MCAT 2020 exam, and if you have not watched the first question, you can watch in my previous video. Okay, the first question, in this second question, there are a total of 5 questions, 1 achieve, 2 merit, and 2 excellent. If you don't get the excellent or merit right, and you do part of the question right, you may be converted to an achieve. So you not to worry about the merit excellent if you cannot do them. Okay, so we shall tackle them now, and we will look at question A. The person height h can be estimated by the length of the forearm f using the formula h equal to 3f plus 100. Use the formula to find f if the height is 160. So what you do, instead of the height, you're going to replace the height with 160. So we're going to put height is 160 equals to 3f plus 100. Now the next step, we are going to solve for x. So what I'm going to normally do, I put the unknown on the left. So I'm going to swap it around. So I'm going to put 3f plus 100 equals to 160. So I just swap the equation around. So this is the same as that. And now we are going to solve for f. So the first thing we do, we're going to minus 100 on both sides. So we're going to get 3f equals to 60. And then you divide by 3 on both sides. So f equals to 20 centimeters because they asked for centimeter. So the length of the forearm is 20 centimeters. And that will give you an easy achieve. Not too bad, right? Okay, we shall look at question B. This is the merit question. And now we shall read the question. Okay, so this is a picture frame, and this the length from here to here is x, here to here is 7x plus 3. Again, the edges is all x, okay? And then the width here is 5x plus 2. They want you to find the area of the picture. So the area is the length here multiplied by the width here. So to find the length here, if this length from here to here is 7x plus 3, and this is an x, okay, this is x. So you need to minus 7x plus 3 minus x. So that length will give you 6x plus 3, because 7x minus x is 6x plus 3. And the width from here to here is 5x plus 2, and the length, the width here is another x here, okay? So this is x, okay? So you need to this is x here, so it's 5x, this is x, so 5x plus 2 minus x will give you 4x plus 2. So now we are going to find the area. Area is the picture here. So it's going to be the length is 6x plus 3 is the length multiplied by the width. The width is 4x plus 2. In other words, we are just going to expand it. So it's going to be 6x plus 3 into 4x plus 2. Okay, so now we're going to expand. So we can do the grid method, depending on what method you learn in school. So we're going to do the grid method. So we're going to put 6x plus 3 and then 4x plus 2. Then you multiply them, it becomes 24x squared. This becomes 12x. This becomes 12x. And multiply them, 3 times 2 is plus 6. You're going to add everything up. So it's going to be 24x squared plus 12x plus 12x plus 6. And then these are like terms. So the answer is going to be 24x squared. 12 plus 12 is 24x plus 6. They want you in this form. So this looks exactly like this. So that will give you a merit. Not too bad, right? Great. We shall proceed now to the third question. This is an excellent question. Have a read through and we shall proceed. Okay. So you are going to solve the inequality. As I said before, inequalities, you just treat it as though they are equal. Okay? You only convert the inequalities when you multiply or divide by a negative number. So now, the first thing we do, we're going to expand this part. This means 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5, because that's squared, is less than 3x squared plus 1. So we're going to expand. I'm not going to teach you how to expand. You try it out. So it's going to be 9x squared minus 15x minus 15x plus 25 is less than 3x squared plus 1. We did not touch anything on the right hand side. Simplify the left hand side. It's going to be 9x squared minus 30x, because minus 15x will give you minus 30x plus 25 is less than 3x squared plus 1. Got it so far? Okay, now we need to get rid of 3x squared plus 1. So we're going to minus 3x squared minus 1. So we're going to put minus 3x squared minus 1. And that becomes 6x squared minus 30x plus 24. That becomes 0, because this could cancel out. And now we are going to simplify. We are going to factorize. 6 is a common factor. 6x squared minus 5x plus 4 is less than 0. If you factorize it, it's going to be 6 bracket x minus 4, x minus 1 is less than 0. Okay, this is the tricky part. You know the answer is going to be 4 and 1. So what you're going to do, you are going to draw a graph. So it's going to cut at 1 and 4. And this is a quadratic graph, so it's going to look like a U-shaped graph. And they asked you the area had to be less, the portion had to be less than 0. So this part is less than 0. So your answer is x is between 1 and 4. That will give you an excellent. Okay, have a go again, and you should get it in the second time around. Okay, now, the next one, the last question, the two part, D1 and D2, okay? So you have a piece of paper, and they're going to fold that paper. You are going to find the perimeter of the shaded region. So, of course, you need to find the length here, the length here, the length here, and the length there. So what we're going to do, this length here, QF, what we're going to do, because this is x plus 3 and this is 2, you're going to minus x plus 3 minus 2, that will give you x plus 1. Got it so far? Okay, this length, you have 2x minus 5 and you must minus 3. So that length here is going to be 2x minus 5 minus 3 is going to be minus 8. And this length is the same as this length, so it's going to be 3 cm. That length is the same as that length, it's going to be 2 cm. So the perimeter, you are going to add everything up. So it's going to be x plus 1 plus 2x minus 5 plus x plus 3 plus 2x minus 8 plus 3 minus 2. So you're going to like them now. X, 2x, x, 2x is going to be 6x. And then you put in calculator, you calculate again 1 minus 5 is minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 minus 9, so it is a plus, minus 9 plus 5, and the answer is going to be minus 4. Do your calculation again, and that is a merit. Okay? And the last question, the same question, they are going to calculate the area of the same shape. So the area, you need to know the area of this rectangle minus these two triangles will give you the area of the shaded region. So we need to find the area of the triangle first. So the area of triangle is half times 2 times 3, and it's going to be 3 centimeters squared. This is the same, this area is the same as that area. You just flip it over, that is also 3 centimeters squared. So the question asks you, find the value of x if the shaded region is 24. Okay, you want to calculate x, solve for x. So what you need to calculate the area of the length multiplied by the width minus the two triangles. So you're going to be 2x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 3. That's the area of the rectangle. And you are going to minus 3 plus 3, going to be 6. And the area is 24. So far, so good? Great. Now we're going to simplify this part. So it's going to be 2x squared plus 6x minus 5x minus 15 minus 6 equals to 24. Okay? So now we simplify this part. Like term, 2x squared plus x minus 21 equals to 24. Now we're going to minus 24 on both sides. So we get 2x squared plus x minus 45 equals to 0. Okay, now we're going to factorize them. Okay, I'm going to do the working here. 2x and x minus 45 is minus 9 and plus 5. Simplify them, it's going to be 10x. This will be minus 9x. You add them up, it's going to be plus x. That's what we get in the middle. So the answer is going to be 2x minus 9, x plus 5 equal to 0. Solve it. 2x minus 9 equal to 0. Or x plus 5 equal to 0. 2x equals to 9. X equals to 9 over 2. Or minus 5 on both sides. X equals to minus 5. And that will give you an excellent in this paper. Again, I suggest you watch the video again. Go through them one more time. And you should be able to get it second time around. So hope you enjoyed this video and have a good day. Cheers everyone.